This is the first series of the outreach plan for the project sponsored by United States Department of Transportation to Arizona State University of Iowa. The project is about multi-level adaptive remote sensing package for the bridge scour detection and prediction. This field trip was done March 9, 2013. Two research groups from Arizona State University involved in this field trip. Our team from the mechanical engineering group, I myself, Dr. Ekani Fard, and two of my colleagues, Mr. Inho Kim and Mr. Rajesh Nirukati. Also, my colleagues from the computer science and engineering department, Dr. Georgios Varsamopoulos, and two of their students, Mr. Joydeep Banerjee and Mr. Joseph Milazzo. In these projects, also we have the cooperation of the Arizona Department of Transportation, Maricopa Department of Transportation, and the flood control district area. I would like to ask my colleague, Mr. Nirukati, to explain the whole system and also talk a little bit about the different case scenarios that we investigated. Rajesh, please.
The tools that were used for data collection are the RFID system, which had RFID reader, antenna, 5 RFID transponders, 12 and 6 volt batteries for the system, buoyancy equipment to keep the system away from water, shovel and pickaxe to place the transponders inside the water. The RFID reader was connected to an oscilloscope, which was further connected to a laptop for data analysis. In the video, you can see us installing the RFID system. All the equipment was taken to the installation location on a tube boat. 3 different cases were considered for this study. In the first case, the RFID transponders are placed underwater and the antenna is floating on the water. You can see that there is an air gap of 8 cm between antenna and the water surface, and the transponder is buried inside the soil such that it is just protruding above the soil level. The transponder was buried at different locations such that the water depth varies from 12 to 32 centimeters. This was done to see the variation in the signal for different depths of water. Masood will continue with the other cases.
Thank you, Rajesh. I just forgot to mention that we did this test in the near North Bush Highway Bridge at Blue Point picnic area in northeast part of the Mesa, Phoenix, Arizona. I would like to thank here flood control district area and Maricopa district area for the permission to do the test in this location. As Rajesh said, the main goal of this was to see the functionality of the RFID sensors in the different medium, soil, water, and air. In the second part of the test, we check the functionality of the RFID when they're buried in soil and water. The depth of the soil was 13 centimeters and the water depth was between 6 to 10 centimeters. After we check the functionality of the sensors, we move to the third case where we look at the functionality of the sensors when they were buried in soil. So we have transporters buried in different depths from 12 centimeters in soil up to 32 centimeters, while there was a gap of air between 3 to 8 centimeters. The last slide shows a representative of the output file from the oscilloscope, voltage with the time for one period, and those 2 arrows shows the useful period of the voltage that we can use for the detection and the prediction part. In the next 3 videos, my colleague, Dr. Varsamopoulos, will talk about functionality of the data collection system and the sensors.
At the Rio Salado River, at the bridge of the Bush Highway Bridge, we have March 9th, 2013. We have students working, and we are doing an experiment on the validity and functionality of our data collection scheme. We have placed 2 sensors, one sensor over here on the first pier, and then one more sensor at the other pier. working as placeholders for the final system. We have the students down there. Now we have a sensor here, and I'm going to press the button that acts as the gateway for getting the data. I'm pressing it. I'm getting nothing.
You press, there you go.
Okay, I'm getting 2 blue, and then
right
we can
here
see
is
that one.
response.
So let's do that again.
First one.
There we go. And you can see that it's collecting data from the sensors down there. Jodeep, can you stand? Okay, that's fine. All right.
Oops, I typed something.
There we go. One more time. And we are collecting data. Yes, very good.
Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll provide more details about the project as we get more progress, and we'll have more results of the system. At the end, I would like to thank all my colleagues at Arizona State University, University of Iowa, Arizona Department of Transportation, Maricopa Department of Transportation, Iowa Department of Transportation, and Flood Control District area. And many thanks to United States Department of Transportation, RITA Program Manager, Mr. Cesar Singh. Please, for more details about this project, look at our website at ames.engineering.asu.edu. Thank you.